So now we're looking at invert a hash, a code wars exercise using Python. Yes, inverting a hash. What the heck is a hash? In this case, a hash is a Python dictionary. I believe a hash is a more generic computer science term. Yeah. So given a hash made up of keys and values, invert the hash by swapping them. So we look at this dictionary here, A1, B2, C3, got keys and values, and you return the inverted version where the values become the keys and the keys become the values. So really, yes, you're swapping the keys and values in the dictionary. Look down further, the classic foo bar hello world, and you see on the return they are reversed. So that is the objective here. Reverse keys and values. And a few rules. Really, this is all we got to worry about. Not that you have to worry about anything, but reversing keys and values. Let's get in here and do this thing. Nothing more to say. This is a short, simple idea. So dictionary will be the dictionary. And so what I will do is I'll create a return dictionary. And I'm going to loop through the original, and I'm going to use the zip function in Python. What I'm doing here is the zip function allows you to take two or more data structures, and as you loop, you're going to pull out corresponding pairs from these data structures. Basically, data structures, elements of the data structures that are together at corresponding places. Here I'm getting the keys in a data structure and the values in a data structure via these two functions. And I'm using zip to pull them at the corresponding indexes. So basically, even though dictionaries aren't really ordered, they do come in some order when you do this. So like key 0 and value 0 are going to come out together. Key 1, value 1 are going to come out together. And how it works is that each is going to be placed in K and V for each iteration. So on iteration number 0, I guess you could say, K will be the first key and V will be the first value. So I've got my keys and values together, and I could just swap them because I know what they are. They're in K and V, and in my new dictionary, in the body, I can simply do this, where I can make the value the key and the key the value. This is a dictionary notation where you create an entry by indexing in using the key. I'm going to make the key the value and the value the key. I do that for each iteration, and that's it. I'm done. And I will simply return the dictionary. That is it. I think. Yeah, that is it. Felt like there was something missing, but there ain't nothing missing. That's proper English, ain't it? All right, outstanding. So now that I got that, I'm going to show you guys a different version, because you can also do this with dictionary comprehension, which is where you can create and populate a dictionary on a single line. So I'll expand this again. And so yeah, you got this solution. Nearly one line, but you can also switch it up here. Cut. And you can simply do this. Whoops. And I don't even need a variable assignment. Just return. Looks good. Yeah. So for loop header is the same. I use zip to get keys and value pairs together. And then for each turn, I'm going to add the pair VK, V being the key, K being the value. And there's my dictionary comprehension version, narrowing it down to a single line. Run that just to be sure. And that passes as well. Great. Sounds good. So that is it. Got two versions of inverting a hash in Code Wars. And with that, buddies, I am out of here. See ya.